everybody. I'm Miss Jonna, and this is my friend Carson, and we're at the Little Sunshine's Granite Bay location, and today we're gonna make mud pies. Okay, so Carson, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a scoop of our dirt and fill it up in one of the cups, okay? Go ahead. Get a little more than that. Do another scoop. There you go. Got it? Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna put a little bit of water. Mix some water in with it. Go ahead. That's good, that's good. That's good. Okay, go ahead and put it on the side. And then we're gonna add, we have some gems, some marbles, we have some glitter, and we're gonna decorate our mud pie. So I'm gonna pick some out. You can go ahead and pick some. We're gonna put them in. You can mix it up, you can use your fingers. Decorate it. Which colors are you getting? And then, after we mix it up good, we'll take some glitter and we'll sprinkle it into the mud pie. Got it? Yeah, go ahead and sprinkle it in. Good, you want to put some more marbles in? Yeah? Okay, toss them in there. Got it? Okay, so now let's mix it up a little. Mix up your mud pie. We want to make sure it's all mixed up good. Did you get it?
My fingers are glittering.
So we're going to fill up the whole tray. We're going to let it dry. And once it dries, then we will plop them out. And then we will have our mud pies. Are we going to eat them?
Just pretend.
Just pretend. We're not going to eat them. Okay, but that is how we are making our mud pies today.
Oh, it's okay.
Is it good?